Welcome back, it's Montana, and today we're going to be making grilled stuffed jalapenos. For this recipe, you're going to need cream cheese, bacon, cheddar cheese, garlic, green onions, cilantro, tomatoes, and of course, jalapenos. Your first step is to cook, cool, and then crumble your bacon. The second step is to cut your jalapenos. First, you're going to cut the stem off. Then you're going to cut it in half. And then now you're going to clean out all the insides. After you have cleaned out all your jalapenos, they should look about like this. Now that jalapenos are all cut and ready, you're going to combine all of your ingredients in a bowl except the cilantro and the tomatoes. Now that all of your ingredients have been combined, get your jalapenos and put it inside. Now that your jalapenos are ready, put them on the grill for 8 minutes. Now that the 8 minutes is up, turn your grill off and take them off the heat. Now that the jalapenos are all done, you can top with cilantro and tomatoes if you like. Alright, let's give it a try. That's good.